What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. We have fourth stimulus check update. Not only did Bernie Sanders go out and say Biden should include $2,000 monthly reoccurring stimulus checks, but also Senator Ed Markey, Elizabeth Warren pushed President Joe Biden for $2,000 monthly stimulus checks. Not only that, but also, as you see right here, nearly 24 other U.S. senators now want federal government to send reoccurring stimulus checks to 10 million Americans for the duration of the pandemic. Now, what does that mean? Just to quickly go over it, quickly gloss over it and summarize, both the Senate and the House, Republican and Democratic senators and lawmakers are actually pushing Joe Biden to make reoccurring $2,000 monthly stimulus checks in the new stimulus package, because there's definitely room in the budget. If you see right here, guys, the next stimulus package is actually expected to cost upwards of $4 trillion, and the third stimulus check package only costs $1.9 trillion. So this next new fourth stimulus check package will actually be more than double the amount of money they're willing to spend. And if you're going to include twice the amount of money in this new stimulus plan, why not up the amount of money you give American citizens, guys? Why not give people $2,000 monthly recurring checks? Because other countries have been receiving, like Canada, Europe, guys, England, UK. Why not include reoccurring $2,000 monthly stimulus checks for Americans? Because other countries this whole time have been receiving $2,000, or roughly the equivalent amount in their own currency. Just to name a few, you have Canada, you have England, you have France, you have Italy, guys. All these different places are actually giving out, monthly stimulus. They're citizens. So why is the American people, guys, why are the American citizens not receiving monthly stimulus help and aid from the country? Do you agree? And do you actually believe that Americans deserve a fourth stimulus check? Should it be a one-time payment, or should it be monthly payment until the end of the year, guys? Right now, just like I said a long time ago, Democrats and Republicans, senators, lawmakers, guys, on both ends, the House and the Senate, are actually talking right now, meeting. And these articles just confirm exactly what I said over 2 weeks ago. I have a source inside Senate, guys, inside Congress, and they actually tell me these things way before news comes out. And I just tell you guys, and the next thing you know, next week, bam, more and more credible news outlets and sources are talking about exactly what I said over a week ago. And then we have this article: fourth stimulus check could lift 7 million Americans out of poverty. All the numbers and all the studies have actually proven and showed that most of the stimulus check money, most of it, guys, if not all of it, actually goes towards paying bills, guys, paying debt, some kind of expenses to help pay down your amount of debt you owe. People are not just spending money on things like they're actually intended to. People are trying to stop from going bankrupt. People are paying bills. People are paying back their debt, whatever they may owe. And if we go more into this article right here, new research shows that a fourth stimulus check of $1,400 would lift an additional 72 million Americans out of poverty, guys. Let me know in the comments right now, did you use a majority or all of your stimulus check or any of your stimulus check to go towards bills, debt, whatever it may be, expenses? Comment below. Let me know. I read every single comment. If I like and heart your comment, I definitely read it. And finally, guys, this article right here, if you got unemployment benefits in 2020, here's how much taxes you could actually be exempt. A lot of people told me, listen, I don't know how to actually file my taxes because in 2020 I actually received unemployment and I heard that was actually being taxed. Yes and no, right? Yes, you have to pay back the money you actually made on unemployment, guys. But as you see right here, up to 10,200 of those benefits will be exempt from taxes. What does that mean? Let's say hypothetically you made $15,000 or $20,000. Just subtract 10,200 from it, because basically that amount is not taxed. So if you made, let's say, $11,000, you'd only pay taxes on the 800, because again, 10,200 of your actual unemployment benefits will be exempt from taxes. So at least that's good news. You actually at least 50%, if not some cases 75 to 80% of the money you made on your unemployment will actually be tax free. So that's good news. I want to take 2 seconds out this video before we go any deeper in these articles. Before we summarize, I want to let you know I post daily videos, 1 to 2 videos every single day, and in every single video I do a free Amazon gift card giveaway. I've given over $20,000 out my own pocket. I've given over 1,150 people free Amazon gift cards. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment an emoji for all I care. Any comment will actually enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. Every single day I go in the comments and I pick a winner at random, guys, 100% at random, and I send them a free Amazon gift card. Again, to enter the giveaway, you must hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment emoji, comment whatever you want, will enter you in the giveaway. Now that I got that out the way, let's get back to the article, starting with the very first article. Let's summarize. Nearly 24 U.S. senators, right, including Bernie Sanders, including Senator Ed Markey, including Elizabeth Warren, pushed President Biden to include $2,000 reoccurring monthly stimulus checks until the end of the year, because it's actually expected and been reported that this new stimulus check package is actually reported, rumored to come out, is expected to cost upwards of $4 trillion, which is well over the $1.9 trillion third stimulus check package. So right now, it's not a matter of if, guys, you're 100% going to receive another stimulus, another kind of pack, but will it actually include stimulus checks in this new recovery package, or will it be a one-time or maybe no stimulus check at all, or maybe maybe it might be a $2,000 monthly recurring stimulus check. And if you want this video to get out there, guys, if you want to support this video, if you want to support me, all I ask is for you to hit that like button and share this on social media. If you hit that like and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right, it'll help get the word out there. Not only that, I show all of my videos to my actual source inside Senate, and you won't believe the amount of lawmakers, the amount of senators, guys, people in Congress actually watch these videos. Please take 1 second out your day, hit that like button, share this on Facebook, share this on Instagram. Now let's get back to the second article right here. Basically, to quickly summarize the second article, a study went out, according to the numbers, another $1,400 stimulus check or $2,000 could lift over 7 million people out of poverty, and studies based on the numbers have shown that the 3 stimulus check packages did not pay off all the debt that people have. Please let me know, comment below, did all the money you received from stimulus check pay off all your debt? But I'm pretty sure more likely than not, that money did not pay off all your debt, all your expenses, all your credit cards, everything you owe. I'm pretty sure you still have debt, and another $1,400 could definitely help you out. Also, guys, right here, again, if you did actually receive unemployment benefits and you're going to do your taxes, $10,200 of your actual unemployment benefits will be exempt and you do not have to pay taxes on it. Like I said, I post daily videos, daily giveaways. Please do me one favor, hit that like button, hit this white join button if you're not a member. It only costs 99 cents, less than $1. As a member, you get a diamond next to your name, you get exclusive content, you get to message me directly. All your messages show up first, and you have a diamond next to your name. You get exclusive emojis, you get exclusive members only community tab, pictures, videos, live streams. Every single video they go live for my members only. You can talk to me, interact with me, all for only 99 cents. The best part of all the money goes to charity. Not only that, but I also have a Patreon. If you prefer to use Patreon, I've seen a lot of people say, hey, I prefer to go through Patreon. Just click the link in the description. It says Patreon. Hit the $1 join button. Not only that, finally, I have a clothing line brand. I have funny political shirts, guys. If you want to support me, I have, funny politics shirts, Joe Biden shirt. Not only that, Mitch McConnell shirts. I have Average Tuber merch. All the shirts are 100% cotton. Great material, guys. The design is absolutely beautiful. The shirts are all cotton, guys. $19.99. And the best part of all the money goes to help someone else in need. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Please hit that like, be subscribed, comment, share this on social media, hit that join button if you're not already a member. Have a great day, everyone. That's it for today. Peace.